Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Anita, and I'm coming at you today with a new pen. I pre-ordered this pen months ago, at least 2 months ago, from Endless Pens. I just love the classic look of the pen, and it came in, and I just had to share it with you because it's adorable. And look at the sticker that came with it. It's so cute. All right, let's break into the box. All right, I picked up, as you know from clicking on the video, the Laban Antique II. The pen is made of brass and metal and has a medium nib. And it came wrapped very safely, and it was inside a cardboard box, and I just took it out so we can skip all of that and get right to the main event. And I love the Laban boxes. Like, I only have one other Laban pen, and I don't know why, because I love that pen. It's the Laban Sakura. But you didn't come here for that. I was about to get it. Let's stick to the pen at hand. It's like a little drawer. Okay, look at that. Oh, look, there's a sticker. I think it's a sticker. Pen protected in a sleeve. And check it out. Antique II. Oh, this is adorable. That's adorable. Put that over there. And let's get to the pen. Oh, it's heavy. I love a heavy pen. All right, I'm pretty sure there were 3 colors offered, and I chose this green with gold. I'm really on a green kick lately. This is beautiful, and this matches the pen. I wonder if that was purposeful. Let's get this out. Okay, how many turns to uncap this baby? Look at that. Can you see the Laban on the cap band? This is so pretty. That clip is tight, but you can get it under a notebook. Oh, let's count how many turns, y'all. Okay. 1 3/4 turns to uncap. And we've got a metal section. As I said, the pen is brass, and it's got a medium nib. Does it post? It does appear to post. It feels very slightly back heavy. I doubt if I would write with it posted, because I don't think it's necessary, and I don't want to ruin the finish on the pen. It's all metal. This is so pretty. It's a bicolored steel nib. And let's compare this to some other pens in my collection, and then we'll give it a quick rinse and dip test it in some ink. All right, I found some pens. Of course, they have ink in them because that's how I roll. Okay, I'll put this at the top. This is the Laban Antique II. I just love the way this looks. Totally reminds me of pinstripes. It's just such a classic looking pen. I've got handy the Pelican M800 in blue and black stripes. The Esterbrook SD in cobalt. The Pilot Metropolitan in, I guess, retro orange pop. I forget the name exactly. I love this little pen. It's got a stub nib. I love me a stub nib. The Majan A1, which is heavily inspired by the Pilot capless or Pilot vanishing point. And finally, The Benu Euphoria, one of the larger, if not the largest model in Hot Toddy. Well, here they are all capped. Me, in the interest of being a little more precise, gonna line them up evenly. So these are all different sizes. The Laban is most comparable to, and in length, the Pelican, the Pilot Metropolitan, and yeah, the other pens are then somewhat the Majan A1. The other pens are longer, and let's compare them uncapped. It always kind of amazes me that a pen could be so large, but when you take the cap off and you look at what you're actually writing with, you can really see how it measures up. So now the Laban looks longer. It's got a longer grip section, and in length it compares, again, now it compares to the Esterbrook Esty. It's slightly longer than the Pelican M800. It's comparable to the Pilot Metropolitan and is shorter than the capless, but the nib on that capless pen is very tiny. I love it. And the Benu Euphoria is still the biggest pen on the table. So let's move on to a writing sample. Oh, you can see these nibs though. They're just all over the place. All over the place. This, I am not a nib expert, disclaimer, but I think it's about a number 5 size. It looks about the same as the nib on a Twisby Eco. Do I have an Eco? I know I have an Eco, but is it handy? Here we go. Let's see how it compares to the Eco. Oh, the Eco nib is longer, so it's even smaller than that. How interesting. That's a tiny nib. I still love the pen though. I just love the look of it, you know? Sometimes you just want to throw it back, right? It kind of looks like something inspired by like the 40s or the 50s. I don't know. Something old. All right, let's give the pen a rinse and do a quick writing sample. Okay. I have given my lovely new pen a rinse, and we are going to dip test in Waterman Inspired Blue. I was going to use a different ink that matched the pen, but honestly, I like to test in this ink. Wow, talk about using up your ink. Wait, can I turn it yet? No, not yet. This bottle is faceted, and when the ink starts running lower, you can turn it like that to get your ink out more easily, which is very cool, but I'm not quite there yet. I just love the color. And it's a good standard, a good flowing ink. I love testing with this one. I usually test with it, not every single time to be honest, but usually. All right, this is the Laban Antique II with a medium nib. This is my first Laban with a medium nib. My one other pen has a broad nib, and I love the way it writes. And this color is green? I don't remember. I'm telling you, I ordered this a while ago. It doesn't say the color name. We're gonna call it green. I think there were maybe 3 colors available, and the green spoke to me. I'll have a link to the pen in the description. The nib feels nice and smooth. Nothing is scratchy or catching, which is what you want. I love that. I'm gonna wipe off the nib. Because me and all my excitement to get to the, the testing part, I did not look in here. I know it's a cartridge converter pen. Did it come with ink? Probably. I have to look. Oh, I love that. There we go. Laban has a branded converter. Oh, that's better, more contrast. And let's see. I love the way it writes. It's nice and smooth. There was no problem in any of the directions, which I whirled and swirled and stroked the pen. And let's just see what else is in the box real quick, because all I ever care about is a pen. But you may care about more. So let's see what else is in here other than the sticker. We've got a clip. Holla. I've got another one of these somewhere, probably in the box. And then we've got a manual that tells you how to operate your new pen. So there you go. I think I will be adding this pen to my curling ink for December because I love it. It is not my preferred size for a fountain pen. I like my pens with a little more girth, but I totally love the style. It's a beautiful, beautiful looking pen. So thank you so much for coming by to check out another video with me, and I will link the pen in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.